Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Tricks TV. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Firefox web browser. So let's get started. Let me open Firefox. So once you open Firefox, so currently as you can see the menu bar is not visible. I need to first make the menu bar visible. So I will right click at the top. Once you right click, this menu will come and here I can select menu bar. Once you click on that, then you can see the menu bar. Now we need to go to the help and then about Firefox. So currently as you can see I'm using version 88.0.1 and on the just above that you are getting an option to restart to update Firefox. Just click on this button and the Firefox will get updated. If you see a notification by user account control, just click on yes button. So as you can see the installation of the updates have started for Firefox and it will take some time. So after the updation it will automatically open Firefox. It is always recommended to keep your web browser updated to prevent any vulnerability. So as you can see I'm getting this pop-up. So these are the new things which have been added into the Firefox. And it is giving me an option to make Firefox as my default browser. I will choose not now, and then it is asking me to select a theme. I will go with the light theme and click on save theme button, and now again I will go to the help option and click on about Firefox, and as you can see the Firefox has been updated to 89.0. earlier it was 88, and it is also applying some update. So let it get completed, and I think there are some more updates. I'll again click on restart to update Firefox and it will automatically restart. So it may happen that you may have to restart the web browser twice. So again the same procedure you have to follow. I will leave a link in the description for you to download the latest version of Firefox. So yes, the Firefox has got again started. I'll again go to the help and click on about Firefox, and as you can see now the Firefox is up to date. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions you can ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye for now.